What most people don't realize is that credit reports can sometimes contain many errors. It has been suggested that credit reports today contain almost 50% of errors. That's a lot of mistakes, and these errors can be destroying your credit history. To fix your credit, you have to attack your credit repair head-on, and there are some easy steps to take to achieve this. Anyone who lives in the US is entitled to one free credit report each year. In case you didn't know, there are 3 main credit bureaus to get reports from: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can get access to your reports by visiting the website annualcreditreport.com. Or if you prefer, you can call or email them. Once you have your credit reports, look them over carefully for errors. When you discover errors, then you must contact the company in question by letter. Most companies are happy to quickly rectify your issue and fix the credit rating for you. To prevent errors from occurring on your credit report, you should get into the practice of checking all your financial statements each month. Banks can and do make errors, so don't assume that all your transactions are correct. The same goes for your credit card statements. Look them over each month. If you find any errors on your monthly statements, then look into them immediately. Call your bank or credit card company and advise them of the mistake. Doing this will also prevent you from becoming a victim of identity theft. Another good tip is to keep all your receipts each month. This is very beneficial with so many people using debt cards for almost all of their transactions. This way you can verify if the amounts are correct and take actions when necessary. By paying that little bit of extra attention to your financial statements each month, you are being proactive in maintaining a good credit score. You aren't allowing any incident to go unnoticed and make its way onto your yearly credit report. Having to have your credit repaired can be a lengthy and sometimes expensive process. This is something you want to avoid at all costs. As you can see, it doesn't take that much work to keep on top of your credit. With due diligence, you can easily maintain a great credit score and look forward to seeing your credit reports each year.